This is how gummy candy is made. From liquid to chewy perfection in seconds.
Today, we explore how gummy candy is made inside a modern factory.
The process begins with preparing the factory line.
Only a few key ingredients are needed to make gummy candy.
Gelatin is measured carefully for texture. This step is called blooming, which soften the gelatin. Sugar provides sweetness.
Glucose syrup keeps the candy soft. Water helps everything mix evenly.
The ingredients are heated together.
Heat turns them into a smooth syrup.
Temperature is closely controlled.
Now the gelatin is added.
The mixture blends evenly.
This creates the gummy base.
Flavor gives gummy candy its taste. The color is added, keeping every candy identical.
Citric acid balances sweetness.
All ingredients are fully combined.
The gummy mixture moves to molding. Molds shape the candy.
The mixture is poured precisely.
Each mold gets the same amount.
Air bubbles are removed. This ensures uniform shape.
Cooling allows gummies to set.
Temperature is carefully controlled.
Slow cooling creates the chewy texture.
Now the gummies are ready.
They are removed gently. Their shape is complete.
Each piece looks identical.
Next comes coating.
This prevents sticking. They gain a smooth shine. Only a thin layer remains. Quality checks begin. Defects are detected automatically. Only perfect candies continue.
Quality is guaranteed.
Each pack is accurately weighed.
They are packed automatically.
Freshness is sealed in. Each pack is traceable.
The product is nearly complete. Final quality checks are done.
Ready for shipment.
They are boxed carefully.
Prepared for transport.
Organized for efficiency.
Stored under controlled conditions.